First reading, Jeremiah chapter 11 verse 18 to 20. But thou, O Lord, hast shown me, and I have known, then thou shewedst me their doings. And I was as a meek lamb, that is carried to be a victim, and I knew not that they had devised counsels against me, saying, Let us put wood on his bread, and cut him off from the land of the living, and let his name be remembered no more. But thou, O Lord of Sabaoth, who judgest justly, and triest the reins and hearts, let me see thy revenge on them, for to thee I have revealed my cause. Psalms chapter 7 verse 2 to 3, 9 BC to 12. O Lord my God, in thee have I put my trust, save me from all them that persecute me, and deliver me. Lest at any time he seize upon my soul like a lion, while there is no one to redeem me, nor to save. The Lord judgeth the people. Judge me, O Lord, according to my justice, and according to my innocence in me. The wickedness of sinners shall be brought to naught, and thou shalt direct the just. The searcher of hearts and reins is God. Just is my help from the Lord, who saveth the upright of heart. God is a just judge, strong and patient. Is he angry every day? Gospel, John chapter 7 verse 40 to 53. Of that multitude therefore, when they had heard these words of his, some said, This is the prophet indeed. Others said, This is the Christ. But some said, Doth the Christ come out of Galilee? Doth not the scripture say, that Christ cometh of the seed of David, and from Bethlehem the town where David was? So there arose a dissension among the people because of him. And some of them would have apprehended him, but no man laid hands on him. The ministers therefore came to the chief priests and the Pharisees. And they said to them, Why have you not brought him? The ministers answered, Never did man speak like this man. The Pharisees therefore answered them, Are you also seduced? Hath any one of the rulers believed in him, or of the Pharisees? But this multitude, that knoweth not the law, are accursed. Nicodemus said to them, He that came to him by night, who was one of them? Doth our law judge any man, unless it first hear him, and know what he doth? They answered, and said to him, Art thou also a Galilean? Search the scriptures, and see, that out of Galilee a prophet riseth not. And every man returned to his own house.